Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs. Begin by cracking 3 fresh eggs directly into a cold nonstick pan. Add a generous 1-ounce knob of cold butter to the pan. Place the pan over medium-low heat and immediately start stirring the eggs and butter constantly with your heat-resistant rubber spatula. This continuous motion is crucial. Once the eggs begin to slightly set, remove the pan from the heat. Continue stirring for about 10 seconds to cool them down. Place the pan back on the heat for another 30 seconds, then remove it again. This on and off technique prevents overcooking and ensures a silky texture. Finally, stir in 1 generous teaspoon of creme fraiche for ultimate creaminess and a luxurious finish. Now it's time to season your perfectly cooked scrambled eggs. Add a pinch of salt and a grind of fresh black pepper. Remember, seasoning too early can make the eggs watery or tough. Serve your creamy, luxurious scrambled eggs immediately on a piece of toasted sourdough or alongside some roasted tomatoes. Enjoy this simple yet elegant dish. For the best results, always use fresh, high-quality eggs and cold butter. A non-stick pan and a rubber spatula are essential tools for this technique. Remember to constantly stir and move the pan on and off the heat to prevent overcooking. Adding creme fraiche at the very end ensures a wonderfully rich and creamy texture, just like a professional chef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.